Hello friends, my name is Stas. I'm from Ukraine. I am an ordinary participant in the financial network MMM Myanmar. I provided help some zero point 0.5 BTC on February 17 and get help some 0.33 BTC on March 8. The amount is received on my Bitcoin wallet and I confirm receipt. Thank you, Mr. Sergey Mavrodi, for financial freedom for me. Thank all members of the system for their help. MMM running since 2011 and pays constantly. Join today and start changing your life for the better. Join us and invite your friends. Let's change the world together.